death, if we can ask him, he can give us the strength or possibility to solve that. But we should have the faith on that. Until unless we have the faith, we will not able to recognize that. एक बार क्या हुआ था, एक जगह पर बहुत ही सूखा था, बारिश नहीं हो रहा था, तो बहुत सारे विलेजर्स थे, वो बोले कि चलो प्रेयर करते हैं, बारिश होगा। तो उनमें से सभी गए प्रेयर करने के लिए, साथ में एक बच्ची भी गई थी, बट वो बच्ची साथ में छाता लेके गई थी, अम्ब्रेला। तो सभी देख के हंसने लगे, बारिश नहीं हो रहा है, तुम छाता लेके आए हो। वो बोल रही है, अभी तो आप प्रेयर करने जा रहे हो, किसके लिए प्रेयर करने जा रहे हो? बारिश के लिए प्रेयर करने जा रहे हो, तो प्रेयर के बाद तो जरूर बारिश होगा, उसके बाद के लिए तो मैं छाता लेके आई हूं। दैट इज कॉल्ड फेथ। We tell many things. God is there, God is within our heart, He is omnipotent. But if we don't believe that, we will not get that action. उसके बाद क्या हुआ, प्रेयर के बाद सच्ची में बारिश हुआ, और वो छोटी सी बच्ची जो है वो हाथ में छाता लेके आई, बाकी सब भीग के आए। So if we have the faith on Him, if we aspire to become like Him, then only we can become like Him. So that is the true purpose of our life. That should be the aim of our life, to become the divine. All other aims, whatever we are seeing, that is the consequences. That is not our real aim. Can someone say why the plant grows? एक पेड़ क्यों बड़ा होता है, उसका लक्ष्य क्या है? Can someone say? हाँ, उसका नेचर है। नेचर तो नहीं है, सारा प्लांट तो बड़ा नहीं होता है। नेचुरली जो भी प्लांट लगा देते हो बड़ा हो जाता है क्या? कैन समवन से? आप अगर पेड़ लगाते हो, आम का पेड़ लगाते हो, वो बड़ा क्यों होता है? आपको आम देने के लिए, isn't it? To give you fruit, to give you flower, to give you branches, to give you leaves. Is that the aim of the tree, to grow up? और क्या है? To reach the God. हाँ? ऑक्सीजन, वही उसका रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है। कितना भार लिया है उसने ऑक्सीजन रिड्यूस करने का अर्थ से? नहीं, यही है उसका काम, यही उसका लक्ष्य है क्या? Is it his aim? He has only one aim, to grow towards the sunlight. Even if you, मतलब आपका अगर पेड़ एक है, आप उसको छांव में रख देते हो, वो ढूंढते ढूंढते सूर्य किरण की ओर चला जाता है। क्यों? क्योंकि that is the only aim of his growth. And वो अगर ग्रो करता है, by default you will get fruits, you will get flowers, you will get leaves, you will get oxygen. But that is not the responsibility or the aim of that tree. Similarly, our aim is to become the divine. And if we aspire for that, consequence, by default you will get all the other things in your life. So that thing we have to be very clear in the initial stage. Then only we can choose to become Krishna, to become angel, or to become Kansa, or to become evil. That is the choice you have in your island. And based on your choice, you can become angel or you can become evil. So now you tell, do you want to become angel or evil? Angel. So this is all about today's session, and about your dream island. And you have beautifully imagined your island. You have named the island. You have created your island. And if someone asked that, how about your island? What is your island? You know, the name of that new island is the supramental island. And there we will have the supermans. Interesting, right? We will have the supermans there, and the name of that island, our island, is Supramental Island. And you know what will be there? The challenges that we face now in our day-to-day activities, we have sorrow. हम लोग को दुख लगता है या नहीं लगता है? वो आइलैंड में दुख नहीं होगा. हम लोग को अभी रोग होता है कि नहीं? डिजीज. Is there disease in our life or not? Yes. But there will be no disease. Now we are getting old or not? Like after few days, you will getting old or not? Yes. Do you like to become old? No. No. But in that island, there will be no old person. Everyone will be young. Everyone will be youth. And at the very end, now, if we have burned, we have to die. Because our body, when it gets older, we feel very weak. We don't have that much strength to live our life. Because it is not, our body is not capable to get that energy. But in that island, no one will die. They can change their body as they wish. Like we are changing our dress. If you are wearing this uniform today, will you wear the same uniform tomorrow? Yes. No. You will have another pair. Right? Yes. Same continuously 7 days you can't wear the same dress. Yes. Similarly, they do have the choice to change their body. Whenever they want, they can change that body. So that kind of island has to be there. It is there in future. Because we the human beings are thinking we are the greatest creation. Who will come after human beings? Mother and Sri Aurobindo, they did the sadhana, they did the tapasya to descend that force. That force name is the supramental force, and that force is currently acting in this universe. And the new race has to come, and those new race will be the Superman. They don't have any sorrowness, they will not have any disease, they will not get old, and they will never die. It is looking like fantasy world, right? What kind of island you are talking about? We are... धरती भर जाएगी. हाँ. That is very genuine question that we had. Similarly, the same kind of questions do have the monkeys as well. Then they were told that after monkeys, there will be human beings. They don't need to get the, they don't need to get the fruits from the branches. They don't need to sleep in the branches. Human beings, they can build their own house. They can prepare their own food. They do have also the same kind of thought. That how can we prepare the food? We are not tree. How can we prepare our food? Only from the tree only we can get the food. Because they were thinking in the mind of monkeys. In the mind of monkeys, can a monkey understand a human being? If you ask a monkey how beautiful the poem is, what he will understand? Huh? Can you solve this problem, mathematics problem, if you ask the monkeys?
No.
What they will do? Because they don't have the capacity to understand. Only by becoming the human beings, you can understand the human beings. Similarly, when we are hearing this thing, and you see, till now also there are monkeys. Only few monkeys who believe that we can be human beings, they only transform to the human beings. Rest are already there. They are also in the branches. We can see them. Similarly, this new truth has to come because it was proven in the past. You know the birthday of Sri Aurobindo?
Yes.
When it is?
15th August.
15th August. Very good.
1972.
1872. And 30 years before that, when he was in the jail, he has the experience that India will certainly get the freedom. It is bound to come. And you see the gift from the God that it came on the very same day. That is 15th of August, which is the Independence Day of India.
Yes.
So similarly, the new race has to come. But what about us? What we will do in that island? What is our responsibility? We have given the responsibility to build that island. We have to aspire for that. But if you are the person in that island, how do we usually aspire? कि जैसे मैं अगर वो आइलैंड में पहुंच जाता हूं, जाने के बाद मैं क्या एस्पायर करता हूं कि इतना देर हो गया, मुझको तो बहुत जोर से भूख लगा है, कुछ अगर खाना आ जाता तो कितना अच्छा होता. तो देयर इज समवन हु इज फुलफिलिंग योर विश, तो सडनली देयर विल बी फूड, सो यू विल ईट द फूड. देन आफ्टर दैट व्हाट यू विल थिंक, ओके नाउ माय टमी इज फुल, इफ देयर विल बी वन बेड then I can peacefully sleep there. So suddenly the wish is fulfilled and there was one bed. And you started sleeping there. And while sleeping, again another thought came. In this entire island, it is the night time. If any tiger will come, how I can face him? He will eat me. Then suddenly who will come?
Tiger.
Tiger will come and he will eat you. We have the opportunity to build a new thing, but our thought process, our aspiration is leading us to die. Because we don't know what to think of. When you were told, some of us think about the luxury car, the home, a good position, a good mark. We usually think about this. Because our society and our parents, they usually feed us this thing. If we are coming to school, why we are coming to school? To study. And after studying, what will happen? After studying, what will happen? You will get good marks. And after getting good marks, you will get a good job. And after getting a good job, you will get more money. So if you do that proportion, you are studying only for money. Isn't it? At the background, will anyone be like to be a sweeper after studying? Huh? Why don't you? After studying, you can sweep the city very cleanly, right? In Kohima, there is lot of dirtiness. If you study, you can make this city more beautiful, isn't it?
Yes.
But you don't want to become a sweeper. Why you don't want to become? Because sweepers are the lower standard in the community. But if I would have asked you, do you want to become a doctor? Most of you would have raised your hand. Do you want to become one engineer or aeronautic science? Yes. Because there are a lot of money there. Even if you are in your home, people will come to you and they will get your treatment and they will give you additional money. So everywhere, if you see, the money is driving us. So we are not able to think about the good qualities. If you are doing cheating in the classroom, after becoming the doctor, what you will do? You will become a corrupted doctor. Because you don't have those divine qualities in ourselves. So this is the right time to cultivate that divine qualities. And for that, God is always there. His capacity is always there with us. He is always there to help us. And where He is? What is the address of God?
Heaven.
Heaven. Good answer. If you want to write a letter to God, what address you will put? Heaven. Any other address?
Hell.
Huh? Hell. Okay. Any other address?
Happiness.
Happiness. What is the address of God?
Man.
Man. Prayer. In prayer, God is there.
Yes.
Any different answer?
Sir, temple.
Temple, church, masjid. We can see Him, right? There. Don't we?
Yes, sir.
Huh? We can see Him there. Actually, God has decided a beautiful place. He is not outside. He is within us, inside our heart. Because we are not finding Him within ourselves, we have to find Him outside. You know the story of a little child who was suffering from a very severe disease, the heart disease. And none of the doctor was taking the risk to do the treatment for that particular boy. And finally, one famous doctor who doesn't believe on God, he finally took that charge that with my knowledge, because I am the famous cardiologist, I can do the treatment. And the boy was taken for the treatment. He was lying on that bed just before the treatment. He said few words to the doctor. He said, "Doctor, my mother used to tell me that God is in my heart. Now you are going to do the surgery of my heart. You will open my heart. Then definitely you will see God. When you see God, pray Him that get me cured." And with no surprise, that doctor laughed. What kind of story you are saying that I have done lot of heart surgery in my life. You are saying that God is there in heart. What kind of joke you are making? And he started the surgery. And in between, what happened? There was one situation when his heart stops functioning. All of his medical science was no more in use. He was pressing his chest. The doctor was pressing the boy's chest, little boy's chest. But like his heart rate was slowly decreasing. And that time he remembered the words of the little boy. And in the first time in his life, he closed his hands, bow down, and pray to the God that in my entire life I didn't believe you. But this boy has the belief on you that you are in his heart. And if you are in his heart, please save him. You know what happened after that? With all of the surprise,
The boy recovered.
the heartbeat start increasing. A real story here. This is the real story. So the God, the omnipotent force, is not outside. He is within us. Only we can listen His words if we can become silence. If you have to talk to someone, we are using so many words. Still also people are not able to understand us. But God, if we want to talk to God, we have to close our eyes and we can talk to Him. He can give the solution to every problem in our life.